If you are making over $200,000 a year and still writing big checks to the IRS, you are not maximizing your money. Let me explain something that most people won't say clearly. High income does not equal smart strategy. I see women every day who make multiple six figures and they're still paying and overpaying in taxes because no one showed them how to do things differently. One of the biggest missed opportunity is using a tool like a SEP IRA, SEP IRA, SEP IRA, a simplified employee pension. It is a plan that reduces taxes by allowing self-employed individuals and business owners to take tax deductible contributions directly, lowering their taxable income for the year. Contributions are made on a pre-tax basis, and the investment earnings grow tax deferred until withdrawal, typically in retirement. Now, if you have a business and you are not saving money in taxes, then you really want to pay attention to these things, because you want to consider these things. The money that is withdrawn from your SEP IRA when you get ready to take it out, it is taxed as ordinary income. And if you are making a withdrawal before the age of 59 and a half, you may face a 10% penalty. Also, there's something called a uniformity rule, which means if you have employees, you must contribute the same percentage of salary for them as you do for yourself. So, what is a SEP IRA and how can you use it? Again, it's a simplified employee pension plan, and it is a retirement solution for small business owners and self-employed professionals planning to save for retirement. Studies show most people are focused on getting the money, making the money. But after you make all this money, you don't want to have to pay it to the IRS if you don't have to. So this is a way that you can legally pay less to the IRS by having a strategy in place. Okay. So according to the current rules, you can contribute up to $70,000. $70,000 in your SEP IRA. If you are planning to set up a SEP IRA for your business, it is critical to consider the cost, the contributions, the setup, and the maintenance before opening one. Now, I am a licensed financial professional. I am a licensed insurance agent, and I am licensed to help you set up IRAs. However, I must say I am not a tax professional. So you still want to consult with your tax professional, your CPA, as you are on your financial journey. And as I mentioned many times before in my videos, everybody needs a financial dream team. So I want to make sure that you are aware of this opportunity to save money in taxes, just in case you didn't know. But again, this advice does not replace getting a tax strategist on your side to see if there's anything else that can help you pay less legally to the IRS. Now, whatever it is that you're going to contribute to your plan, you must contribute it by the tax filing deadline, okay? Including any extensions. This is a great option, again, for you to lower your tax liability. And the thing is, when you have a SEP IRA, it allows you to be more financially savvy. It allows you to plan for your retirement. But what is really going to make the biggest difference is when you pair it with the right life insurance strategy. That's where it gets really powerful, because you're not just getting a plan, you are creating tax advantages, long-term growth, and strategic protection. So let's say if you're making $250,000 a year, this is what I would recommend for you. The first thing is I recommend that you reduce your tax exposure, and including that SEP IRA can do so by allowing you to contribute up to $70,000, reducing your taxable income. Second, You're going to build wealth with other long-term wealth vehicles. And then third, create flexibility because liquidity matters. So as a business owner, we know we're always thinking about our revenue, our income, our cash flow, but we also want to make sure that we're thinking about our future. And so as a businesswoman that is building wealth, I highly recommend that you look into this $70,000 move that a lot of business women miss, that gives them the opportunity to save on taxes. So if you are new here, my name is Dr. Terri Alford. I'm known as the Women's Wealth Strategist, and I specialize in helping business owners build wealth and financial freedom so that we can live, lead, and leave multi-million-dollar legacies. Make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you would like to schedule a one-on-one consultation, you can click on the link in the comment section and description in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Attract Abundance and Retire Wealthy podcast. See you later. Adios.